So the rogue behavior of agents of the federal government is deeply concerning and uh, dangerous. But we should take a moment to appreciate the extraordinary uh, outpouring of organizing, community building, decency, citizens saying this is not the America we believe in, and we're going to fight back, and we're going to push back with the truth, and with cameras, and with peaceful protests, and shining a light on uh, the sort of behavior that uh, in the past we've seen in authoritarian countries, and we've seen in uh, dictatorships, but we have not seen in America. And that kind of heroic, uh, sustained behavior in sub-zero weather by ordinary people is what should give us hope, and it should remind us that at the end of the day, the way we get a democracy that's working, the way we get policies that actually uh, are helping working families, uh, get ahead, the way that we restore norms, rule of law, decency, it's going to be because we citizens are activated and paying attention.